buhay si Keanu Reeves bilang isang prinsesa o isang reyna, gusto ko siyang ihalin tulad kay Angelina Jolie. Isa kasi siyang hot mama or should we say sexy. Kaya ang gusto ko sa kanyang mga damit ay mga tipong lalabas ang kurba ng katawan niya at ang ayos ng kanyang mukha ay napaka-elegante kasi si Kiana marunong siya magdala ng damit.
Siguro nakikita niya sa akin kung ano yung bagay sa akin. Sana pareho kami ng taste ng Pelgan Mami ko. Siyempre parang worth it naman na pag-agawa natin siya, na Victor Pasa. Tapos kung sino manalo, siguro bang matake namin yun. Kasi kung hindi, okay lang. Kunin ko na number niya. Kay Papa Victor, naku, huwag kang magkakamali. Pagdasal mo, pareho tayo ng dasal na sana ako manalo. Kasi naku, pag si Joy, magdasal ka, sabay na tayo magdasal, ha?
Ladies and gentlemen, join me here please, Kiana. Miss Raj, we'll start with you.
Wow, I'm so surprised, Miss Kiana, because I remember the last time ka nandito, you were really parang wild and talagang very higay. And tonight, you're so regal and you're so graceful and talagang pang Cinderella, pang princess talaga yung moves na nakita natin tonight. So, bagay sa'yo. And your smile and your confidence is really up there. So, I really enjoyed that number. Thank you.
Miss Edna?
Kiana, congratulations. You really flowed with beauty and loveliness, and the song really fitted you. And Roldan, this is your first time to dance here, and you made her look so good. You made her look so graceful, and it's like I want to dance with you when you dance like that. However, I thought it was a bit too simple for you, Kiana, because I knew it was just too easy for you. And only at the end, where there was a change of movement. So we want to see movements also. But congratulations. The gracefulness.
Okay, Direk Audie, you do the standard dances very well. You're
Yes, and I have to say, Foxtrot is perfect for you. Kasi parang umiba ang buong anyo mo, Kiana. Parang hindi ka na Kiana ng dati. Talagang sa totally, and I have to tell you something, I like this Kiana. She's regal, she's basta parang tumaas yung ano mo, yung market value mo sa akin. Parang alta syudad, you know, parang gano'n bigla, no? Sosyal ang dating. Very smooth, wala akong nakita ni any kind of sensuality. Kung transformation man lang ang pinag-uusapan natin dito, nag-transform ka talaga.
Thank you.
Okay, Direk, how do you think this dance raised her stock, ha? Kiana, hindi mo to first time, di ba? Mas matindi ba yung pressure ngayon? Kasi alam mo na more or less what to expect, or mas madali to sa'yo ngayon?
Parang iniisip ko kasi, at hindi kasi ng price namin si Victor Basa. Kaya ginalingan ko talaga. At saka, ginampanan ko na siya parang mukha akong kagalang-galang. Ginampanan ko na lang yung suot ni Tandang Sora. Kasi iniram ko lang siya.
Nagampanan mo mabuti kasi kumentado yung ating mga judges na ikaw nga ay kagalang-galang. Congratulations and thank you for being on our show tonight.
Thank you so much, judges. Thank you.
Sweet, sino ang Cinderella na kasama mo dyan?
Ay, nako! Inday Lucy, bago ko pakilala yung isa